Hello everyone, welcome back to another coding tutorial by Thomas B12. Today I'm going to show you how to use the alert and the prompt functions in JavaScript and HTML and CSS, but mostly JavaScript. So let's get right into it. So first I'm going to open up the Replit app right here. If you don't have the Replit app, you can go to replit.com in your browser, just like this. But I have the app, and I'm going to go in the app. If you don't have an account, just create one. It's really simple. It's free. And once you do, you can create like stuff in like a lot of different languages, honestly. They have the most languages I've ever seen. Just in one kind of app thing. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to do a create REPL. I'm going to click HTML, CSS, JS, and I'm going to name this alert prompt, and I'll just do tutorial. And again, as always, these Replit projects will always be in the description below from now on, because I realize that this is public, anybody can see it, so if you need some help with the code, you can look at this. I wouldn't copy and paste. I would try to figure it out yourself. It's just better that way if you're trying to learn how to code. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create some buttons with some functions. So I'm going to do button, and I'm actually going to delete everything from this green line until /body. Alright. And then this button I'm going to do on click. And I'm just going to do alert. I'm actually just going to do run alerts because alert is already a function. You can put alert, the function, in here, but I'm just going to do it in script.js because it's easier to see in there. And then I'm going to create another button on click equals run prompt. Alright, so I have these two buttons here. And in here I'm just going to put run the alert. And then I'm going to put run the prompt. Alright, so now that I have that, our script.js is already linked inside this index.html file, so we can actually just go to the script.js. And we can define the functions that we specified before. So we can do run alert. And then below that, we can do function run prompt. As you can see, here's some functions that we're going to be using and working with. So on run alert, what we're going to do is we're just going to type in alert, and we're going to put something in here that we want it to say to us. So I'm just going to put in this is an alert, right? So this is the basic alert. You could put it as a variable. I don't do that with alerts. I do that with prompts, though, if I want to do something like that. Yeah, this is the basic alert function. The prompt is a little bit more complicated, though, so we're going to go over here. And in this one, we can store the value. So I'm going to store the value. I'm just going to do var run prompt value equals prompt. And I'll put the prompt function, and I'm just going to be like, what do you want to be when you grow up? Alright, and then in here we can do if run prompt value equals a procoder. Keep in mind that it won't do it if it's all the way capitalized. It has to be this exact case sensitive, space sensitive, all the special characters sensitive things. So you can use some JavaScript functions that I'm going to do later, like to lowercase or like create some functions like that. But right now I'm just going to do this, and I'm just going to put an alert actually, and I'm just going to do that's the best choice in my opinion. And then once that's done, you can also do an else statement and say nice or something like that. And you can also put this in here too, like let's say I like value you put, and we can do plus run prompt value, and then that will just put in the variable right there. And actually when we have that, we're pretty much done with this. So if we can click run right here, you'll see that we have these two buttons right here, and then this script will run with it. If you can always check if the script is running by doing console.log script.js is running successfully. Okay, so that's how you know if it's running successfully. And all you want to do is just click open in a new tab. And right here it's going to be like a run the alert or run the prompt. And if we run the alert, it's going to say this is an alert right here. You can copy and paste stuff inside it. Everything is says alert prompt tutorial.thomasb12.rebel.co says, and that's just what the website is. It's just going to say that says whatever the alert is, and we can click OK. And then we can do the prompt, and it says, what do you want to be when you grow up? And it has this little text box here. So if I type in blah blah blah, it's just going to be like, nice, I like the value you put, blah blah blah. It knows what value I put. But now if I do a pro coder like this, it's going to be like that's the best choice in my opinion. Alright, so that's actually how you use the run alert and prompt functions, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.